made this.
I'm Alia Perfecte, and this is
Perfecte Rocher.
And this is our daughter, Zaina. And we're the people behind Tarsan Jane. Our restaurant's in the Fremont region of Seattle. We, as a result of this pandemic, this is like a new phase. Totally redid our offerings. We went from this really intimate 10-seat fine dining tasting menu to these foolproof paella kits. We were doing paella every Sunday, and so we thought, okay, well, let's do something that our guests can enjoy, that is going to make sense in these times. Do something where it's super easy, but anyone, literally anyone,
Can do it.
can do it at home.
And I put the water here, start to boiling, and we have the fire. You can do it in the stove too.
Okay,
Like
well, thank goodness.
Okay. That, we have the meat here, we have the beans, we have the mushroom, the rosemary, the lemon. These are for 4, and we have the water boiling. What we're gonna do is to get the paella and assemble it, everything. And when it's everything ready, we're gonna pour the water, and that's it.
So it's supposed to be easy enough that even I can figure it out. I'm gonna watch you, and then I'm gonna do it at my house eventually.
Yeah, no, it's super easy. This is the rice, no? It's been vacuumed, sterilized. Everything is sterilized. And you just put it like this. And now, what we're gonna do is to open this one, the same thing, you know? The mushroom, and start to put it like this, all around. When you try this, you're gonna realize like, oh wow, to have a paella like this in your house. Now, we put the rosemary here on the top. Okay, we wanna wait a little bit more. And when this is very hot and this is very hot is when we put everything together. When the paella pan assembly is very hot and this is very hot, boom. The water, just the water. You do like this, and when it starts to smell like burn a little bit, it's when it's good.
I don't know if I'll ever know what that smell means. Oh my gosh, you guys are way too much. I am spoiled. I've done nothing. Bon appetit. So now I'm at my apartment, and I'm going to attempt to use this kit that you can get sent to your house. It's nationwide. They're sending them to New York, a bunch of other places, and people are loving it. And it's supposed to be super easy, as you heard the chef say. So I'm hoping I don't mess this up, and apparently just add water and the kit will take me there. So I'm hoping to impress my family with this. Oh, wow. Smells pretty darn amazing and looks actually really, really good too. So I'm excited to serve this and taste test, which is the most important thing. Bon appetit! I freaking made this. To get your own foolproof paella kit and support a local business, go to the website on the screen and follow the instructions in the description, and you too can be a hero in the kitchen. Subscribe if you liked the video. Bye.